In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome when it's not responding on a Windows 10 system. If you've ever encountered this frustrating issue, you're in the right place. I'm here to guide you through a series of simple, straightforward steps to help get your browser back on track. So let's dive right in. First, let's start with the basics. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Go ahead and restart your computer. This often resolves various minor software glitches that may be causing Chrome to act up. Simply click the Start menu, select the power button, and hit Restart. Once your computer boots back up, try opening Chrome again to see if the issue persists. If restarting your computer didn't do the trick, the next step is to check for updates. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for smooth functioning. Open Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser, select Help, and then About Google Chrome. This will automatically check for updates and prompt you to install any that are available. Once updated, restart Chrome to see if it's back to normal. Another potential cause of Chrome not responding is an issue with your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable network. You can do this by checking the network icon in your system tray. If your connection seems to be unstable, try restarting your router. Unplug it from power for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for the connection to reestablish. If you're still experiencing issues, it might be time to clear your browser cache. Cached data can sometimes interfere with the functionality of your browser. In Chrome, click the three dots again, choose More Tools, then Clear Browsing Data. Ensure Cached Images and Files is checked, then click Clear Data. This action will not remove any of your passwords or bookmarks, just the stored temporary files. Extensions and plugins can also sometimes be the culprits of browser malfunctions. Disable any unnecessary extensions by going to the Extensions page, which you can find by clicking the three dots, selecting More Tools, and then Extensions. Turn off the toggle for each extension you suspect might be causing the issue. After doing this, restart Chrome to check if the problem is resolved. Finally, if none of these steps resolves the issue, you can try reinstalling Chrome. First, you'll need to uninstall it by going to the Control panel, selecting Programs, and then Uninstall a program. Find Google Chrome in the list, click it, and select Uninstall. Once complete, head to the Google Chrome website and download the latest version. These steps should help in resolving the issue of Chrome not responding on Windows 10. Remember, technology can be unpredictable, but with some patience and these troubleshooting techniques, you'll have Chrome running smoothly again in no time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech solutions.